WE6 on your side, Storm Team.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed the sun all day yesterday because it's going to be a rather soggy Sunday to close out our weekend.
Yeah, we could be talking about some strong to potentially severe thunderstorms that move through later on this afternoon. There are a couple showers in the area right now, but nothing severe just yet. It's those afternoon thunderstorms that I'm more concerned about, and we actually have thunderstorms in the forecast for your Monday as well. So let's go on over to the maps and talk about it. It's hot, it's humid outside. Temperatures are already in the 70s this morning. We're at 74 in Knoxville, 73 in Maryville and Tellico Plains, 72 in Kingston, and 69 this morning in Crossville, where they're actually dealing with some rain right now. Some light rain in Cumberland County, moving into McMinn County, and some heavier downpours actually moving through parts of Blount County right now. Just moved through Maryville, moving off towards the east. There were some showers that also were moving through parts of southeastern Kentucky. Notice still some heavier downpours. So these are these light showers right now. Maybe you were woken up by a brief rumble of thunder, but these aren't the severe storms I'm talking about. It's the ones this afternoon I'm most concerned about. That's why we are weather aware this morning for some strong storms to develop later on today. More storms, potentially stronger than the ones we see today, are in the forecast for your Monday before we do dry things out into Tuesday, and we may actually get a brief break in the humidity. So for the rest of the day, we're warming up into the upper 80s. Just notice 30% chance those storms of developing later on this afternoon. So probably not the best day to be out by the pool, but it's hot, it's humid throughout the day. If you are outside, just remember the sunblock UV index is at a 9. Notice going into the rest of this afternoon, a 30% risk after lunchtime. That's when I expect storms to start developing, and they continue into the afternoon and the evening hours today. We are under a level 2 out of 5 risk for the entire area for those strong to potentially severe thunderstorms later on this afternoon. That's why we are weather aware, watching for a hail threat, low end that we see some small hail, some heavy rain, possibly some wind damage from some gusty winds. Those are what we're watching for with the storms that develop later on today. Now for your Monday, the severe threat level is a little bit increased. Notice this orange area is a level 3 out of 5. Generally areas east of I-75. This is where we could potentially see some wind damage. That's the greatest concern for this area here in orange. But all of us need to be on alert for some strong to potentially severe thunderstorms for your Monday as well. A lot of kids heading back to school. We're starting off in the morning. This is Monday. We could have some rain showers moving through the area. By lunchtime, we're starting to see storms to develop, and those continue into the afternoon. Again, strong to potentially severe. We'll be watching out for heavy rain, lightning, possibly some gusty winds. And these all continue as the sun does set, the atmosphere loses a little bit of energy, things do start to quiet on down for your Tuesday. Here are the threats we're watching. Again, hail, heavy rain, wind threats probably our primary concern for Monday, and also a low-end risk. We do see a quick spin-up tornado with a storm. Here's a 7-day forecast. So weather aware this afternoon for some strong to potentially severe storms. Storms also in the forecast for Monday. So over the next 48 hours with multiple rounds of severe weather, great idea to download our app. Just search Knoxville Weather in the Apple App Store or Google Play stores. That will keep you updated to alerts as those storms do move through our area. Things do start to dry out for your Tuesday before a brief break in humidity for Tuesday. But notice, with more storms in the forecast midweek, a great idea to have our app.